Hello everyone, so I'm back after a few months, probably 5 months. It has been a pretty long time since I uploaded my last video. I'm sorry for that because I was very busy with school. I had a few incidents with a car. It was damaged all over the passenger side, so it had to be repainted and a few body panels needed to be changed, so that was a shame. I had a C-Cards coating on the car, so that's gone now, so I need to coat it again or just apply wax because it is swirled all over the place. So I will be working on that the next few months. But today the video will be concentrated on this product, the interior cleaner from NANOLEX. I've used it before and it is a pretty good product. I wanted to show it to you guys. So that's what we're doing today. First I will show you guys the car. Honestly, it is in pretty bad shape. You guys will hate me and think I'm not a good detailer and that I don't take good care of my car, but it is what it is, and I will make sure it is on point in the next few weeks. So we'll take a look at the car now. Yeah, so as you can see on the outside, the car looks like complete shit. So all the passenger side is replaced, so all these panels are brand spanking new and repainted. I need to detail the whole outside of the car again, but that's for the future. Hey guys, so as you can see, the car is pretty bunk at the inside. You can see it has dust all over the dashboard, so that needs to be cleaned. A lot of dirt in the passenger side on the floor mats, a lot of junk here, Red Bull water all over the place. Also on the back side, pretty dirty. Also the seats need to be cleaned in the gaps. The floor mats also are really filthy, a lot of dirt and hair, as you can see, because I did a few trips with the car. Normally it isn't an excuse, but now I pretty much hadn't had time. I think we aren't going to clean the outside of the car today because it is 36 degrees today and that's a bit hot. Also the sides of the doors are pretty gunk. Food, gums, Pizza Hut stickers because I love it. Stones on the side, so that's what we are going to clean up today and make sure the interior is pristine again. So I will show you a time lapse of me vacuuming the interior, and then I will show you the NANOLEX interior cleaner on the dash and the steering wheel. Okay guys, so first things first, we need to open all the doors to get the floor mats out. Okay guys, so the interior looks a lot cleaner right now, as you can see. So we need to get the dust off the black and the dust of the dash. So I took a workhorse microfiber towel from Chemical Guys. It's a brand new towel, never been used, so I need to take the tag off. Okay, so there is still some dirt by the gas pedal, so we will need to clean that, maybe the pedals or so, and the dust by the gauges, so that needs to go too. The doors, the sides of the doors also need to be cleaned. The seat cover, the plastic seat covers, and plastics over here. So plastic over there. It all needs to be cleaned. So, and also the leather on the steering wheel also needs a go over. With this yellow microfiber towel, I can show you how good the product can pull dirt off. That's what I will show you guys. Very easy, just shake it a little bit, spray some product on, and just wipe off. Honestly, the product smells really good. I need some more product. Steering wheel is clean now, so you can see the product pulled some of the gunk out of the steering wheel because it is almost black now. So now we will clean the instrument cluster. So just spray some on the towel, some product on the towel, and wipe it down. And after you're done, the cluster has its original state back, so it looks like brand new again. It smells also pretty good, so very happy. It doesn't feel oily on the steering wheel, so that's pretty good too. So now I will clean the rest of the car, so the dash, and I will update you again. So the interior of the car is done now. You can see no dust on the dash or on the steering column. No dirt by the pedals or so. So you can see it is very clean. You can also see on the towel all the sides are pretty filthy. You can see it pulled a lot of the dirt off on the interior, so pretty happy with that. So as you guys have seen, the car is done now. It has been cleaned with the interior cleaner of NANOLEX. It's made in Germany. It's a German manufacturer. What are my thoughts on it? You have seen the interior, how dirty it was. It cleaned it perfectly. It leaves no stains or oils on the plastic, so it leaves a perfect factory finish with a wonderful smell. So if you are looking for a factory finished look and a good smelling product, so interior cleaner from NANOLEX, that's what you need. Okay guys, so this was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay guys, so please smash that subscribe button and like for more content. Please leave in the comments down below which product is your favorite interior cleaner. Bye, see you soon.